In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter referral codes on the Temu app, whether you're a new user or have been navigating the app for some time, but haven't quite figured this process out. I've got you covered. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can make the most out of your offers and start saving right away. First things first, we need to open the Temu app on your smartphone. Make sure your app is up to date to avoid any potential hiccups during this process. Once you've launched the app, you'll be greeted with the familiar home screen featuring a variety of options and promotions. It's always a good idea to take a moment to ensure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all the features you'll need to enter your referral code. Now, once you're in the app, your next step is to tap on the icon or tab labeled You, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile or personal dashboard where you can manage settings, preferences, and view any personalized information related to your account. Here, you'll find a plethora of options, but our focus is on retrieving your savings from referrals. Next, direct your attention to the section labeled Coupons and Offers. A simple tap here will guide you to the area where all your potential discounts and offers are stored and waiting to be activated. This section is your gateway to applying any referral codes, ensuring that you capitalize on those enticing deals and promotions made available to you. You should now see a space or form field where you can enter your referral code. Input the code you have. Make sure you type it in exactly as it appears to avoid any errors. It's always a good idea to double check for any typos or accidental spaces, as these small mistakes could prevent the code from being recognized. Finally, you'll see an Apply button adjacent to or below the entry field. Go ahead and tap on this button. The app will process the code, and if it's valid, any associated offers or discounts will be applied to your account. You might see a confirmation message indicating the successful application of the code, or the new offer could automatically reflect in your offers list. And there you have it. With just a few easy taps, you've entered a referral code on the Temu app. This simple process not only helps you secure savings, but also enhances your overall shopping experience by maximizing deals tailored to you. Remember, always keep an eye out for more codes to continually benefit from exclusive offers. Feel free to practice this process a few times to ensure seamless use whenever new codes come your way. Thanks for following along, and happy savings with your Temu app.